Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix echo in OBS Studio. This is a common issue that happens when multiple audio sources are capturing the same sound, and I'll walk you through exactly how to resolve it. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the audio mixer section. This is typically located at the bottom of your OBS interface and displays all your active audio sources. The audio mixer is where all your sound inputs are managed, so it's crucial to check this area when dealing with echo problems. Now, take a close look at your audio mixer and check if you have multiple sources capturing the same sound. You might see sources labeled as mic/aux, desktop audio, and audio input capture all listed there. The echo problem usually occurs when the same audio device is being captured by more than one source. For instance, your microphone might be added as mic/aux, and then the same exact microphone is also added as audio input capture. When this happens, OBS records your voice twice with a slight delay, which creates that annoying echo effect you're hearing. To fix this issue quickly, simply locate the duplicate audio source in your audio mixer. Next to each source name, you'll see a speaker icon. Click on this speaker icon to disable the duplicate source. When you do this, the icon will turn red, indicating that the audio source is now muted and no longer contributing to your output. This immediately stops the echo because you're no longer capturing the same audio twice. If you notice you have multiple audio mixes with duplicate sources, just click the speaker icon on each one to disable them until only one instance of your microphone remains active. Alternatively, you can fix this issue through OBS settings for a more permanent solution. In the upper left corner of OBS, click on File to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Settings to access the full configuration panel. This opens a comprehensive settings window where you can fine-tune all aspects of OBS. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Audio. This section controls all audio-related configurations in OBS. Now, navigate to the Audio Devices section where you'll see your global audio settings. Here, make sure you only have one microphone selected across all the available device slots. If you notice multiple instances of the same mic assigned to different slots, this is definitely causing your echo. Simply click the drop-down menu next to the duplicate entries and select Disabled from the list. This ensures that only one audio device is actively capturing your microphone input at the global level. And that's it! You've successfully eliminated the echo in OBS Studio by removing duplicate audio sources. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.